Hello everyone, and welcome to AI for Ageless Learners. If you've ever felt like there aren't enough hours in the day, or if chores and daily tasks feel overwhelming, today's video is for you. In this video, we're going to show you practical ways to use AI to simplify your daily life and chores without any complicated tech skills. Whether you're a busy parent, a working professional, or a senior who wants life to feel a little easier, these simple AI tricks can save you time, reduce stress, and give you more energy for the things you truly enjoy. Let's dive in. 1. Start your day smarter. Morning routine. The first place AI can help is right when you wake up. Instead of scrolling through your phone feeling overwhelmed, ask an AI chatbot like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, or Grok. Prompt example: create a simple 30-minute morning routine for a 68-year-old who wants to stay active but not exhausted. Include light exercise, breakfast ideas, and one positive affirmation. You'll get a personalized plan instantly. You can even ask it to adjust for rainy days or low-energy mornings. 2. Meal planning and shopping made easy. One of the biggest weekly chores is figuring out what's for dinner. Let AI handle it. Good prompt: create a 7-day meal plan for 2 seniors. Keep it simple, healthy, low sodium, and easy to chew. Include a shopping list with quantities. AI can also check your fridge. Here's what I have: chicken, broccoli, rice, and eggs. Suggest 3 quick dinners I can make tonight. You'll save time, reduce food waste, and eat better. 3. Write emails, messages, and letters in seconds. Hate writing emails or cards? AI is excellent at this. Whether it's a thank you note, an email to your doctor, a complaint to a company, or a birthday message to your grandchild. Prompt example: write a polite but firm email to my internet provider asking them to fix my slow connection. Keep it friendly and under 150 words. You can then tweak it in your own words so it still sounds like you. 4. Summarize long articles and documents. Do you get long newsletters, medical reports, or instruction manuals that feel too complicated? Just copy and paste the text into AI and say, "Summarize this Trump speech transcription in simple bullet points." Explain it like I'm 70 years old and in a hurry. Or for important documents, explain this 5-page bank statement in plain English. What do I need to pay attention to? This saves hours of frustration. Planning a doctor visit, family trip, or even a simple day out, AI is a great personal assistant. Try these prompts. Create a detailed 5-day itinerary for a senior-friendly trip to San Diego. Include easy transportation, rest stops, and senior discounts. Help me plan my week. I have doctor appointments on Tuesday and Thursday, grocery shopping, and I want time for gardening. Make a gentle daily schedule. AI can even remind you of important dates if you tell it your calendar. Feeling buried under chores? Let AI organize them. Prompt: turn this messy to-do list into a clean, prioritized weekly plan. Clean bathroom, buy cat food, call insurance, water plants, fix leaking faucet. You can also ask for creative solutions. Give me 5 easy ways to keep my house cleaner with less effort as a 75-year-old. Many people discover simple hacks they never thought of. AI can help you stay on top of your health too. Create medication or supplement reminder schedules. Generate gentle exercise routines for bad knees or back pain. Or suggest healthy snack ideas for blood sugar control. Important reminder: always show any health or medication advice to your doctor before following it. AI is a helpful assistant, not a medical expert. Here are a few more everyday wins with AI. Turn a voice note into a clean to-do list, or get gift ideas for hard-to-shop for family members. Learn how to fix small things around the house, like changing a furnace filter, or get step-by-step instructions for using new appliances or phone features. So there you have it. Real ways AI can simplify your daily life and chores starting today. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. Just start with one small task this week. Try one of the prompts we shared today and see how much easier it feels. Which chore are you going to let AI help you with first? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AI for Ageless Learners, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much for watching. You're doing great. Keep learning at your own pace. See you in the next video. Take care and stay curious.